So we're checking back in to see how our cleaning of the resin beads or regenerating of our SoftCell water softener system is going. And it's been about 5 minutes and we're down about a quarter of the way. Like Randy said, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. It's only been about 5, but you can see the water is trickling in, coming in through the bottom. So it's dissolving the salt from the bottom. And then that goes into the larger compartment there and cleans all the resin off of those resin beads, and all of the deposits and all of the buildup on there is just basically flushing out at a slow trickle out the other side. What's nice is we don't have to sit out here with it. It doesn't take any babysitting. You don't have to when we looked at some of the other ones, there were some a little bit less expensive models on the market, and you have to kind of shake them, and if it falls over, the actual resin beads can fall out, which then it's no good. So this is just really nice. It's extremely well built and durable, and very, very low maintenance. I think he only cleans this maybe once every 3 or 4 months, depending on how many times in the summer he washes the trucks and the RV more often. But other than that, or depending on where we're staying, there's a lot more sulfur and stuff in the water, or clay in the water in certain areas. So but here, we've been in Tennessee this winter, and it's been I think he's only had to clean it twice since we've been here, so not too bad. And he doesn't have to stand around and babysit it. He just checks on it when the salt is out. We'll come back and we'll finish up. But you don't ever have to open it up and disassemble anything. Really, it's just that simple. It's just recharges itself by cleaning off those resin beads. So we'll come back in a little bit. It's been about five minutes or so. And you can find these on our website at familytentcamping.com or in the link in our bio at RVing a Way of Life. So the link is in there as well, but it'll take you to the RV and teardrop section of our website at familytentcamping.com, and you can find them in there and read up a little bit more about it. But we absolutely love this. It's been one of the best purchases, really, other than our bed mattress that we bought. This has been one of the best things that we've ever bought, and we've been in the RV for 4 years now. So we are 100% sold and have no qualms recommending this item. That's why we decided to start selling them and carrying them ourselves, because they're excellent, and we use it ourselves. So you can also contact us if you have questions by email at support@familytentcamping.com, and we'll come back in another 10 minutes or so and see how it's finishing up.